This is Robert Kraft, and I'm your host on SNN.Network. And joining me right now is Ali Khan Lalani. He is the founder and CEO of General Assembly Pizza. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is GA on the TSX Venture. And General Assembly will be presenting at our upcoming virtual event, the SNN Canada virtual event happening December 7th through 9, 2021. To register and see this presentation, please go to canada.snn.network. With that, Ali, thank you for joining me again. How are you doing?
Hey, I'm well, Robert. Thank you for having me. Good to be back.
Good to see you. So before we get into all the updates since the last time we spoke, for those who didn't see our first interview or see any of your presentations, can you give that one line that describes General Assembly Pizza?
Sure. Since 2017, General Assembly has been advancing the better for you art of pizza. We do that through our omni-channel presence, our brick and mortar flagship downtown Toronto, our e-commerce presence where we sell our frozen pizza line, and through our CPG and retail partners across Ontario and soon to be across Canada.
Very good. All right. So last time we did an interview together, we published that on August 25th, 2021. So let's get an update. What would you say are some of the company's highlights since then?
Sure. So back in August when we last met, we were still producing our naturally leavened premium pizzas from our food commissary downtown Toronto. We have since migrated production to our master production facility, which is a 42,000 square foot facility outside of Toronto. We've been fortunate to receive our CFIA license, our Canadian Food Inspection Agency license, which lets us sell pizzas nationally. And we have the capacity to make about 100,000 units a month right now. So a big step forward in terms of capacity and production since we last met.
And for the audience out there, what does this mean for the company being able to expand capacity at this level?
For us, the mostly 125 or so retailers that we have included about 15 to 20% large big banner stores like Loblaws, Fortinos, but most of our stores are in the smaller and medium-sized premium independent grocery market. This capacity allows us to go after the large retail banners across Canada and eventually down in the United States. It also let us partner up with Propel Natural Brands as our exclusive food broker, which represents us in Canada as the largest food broker in the better for you segment. It also, on the heels of our announcement this morning, we just secured national distribution with UNFI across Canada. So not only will our pizzas be all across the East Coast, we have a truck that left for the West Coast this morning. So coming to the West Coast as well, which gives us national eyeballs nationally for our retail product, and I'm happy to announce our e-commerce platform is weeks away from launching in Vancouver as well.
With that, before I let you go here, from what you can tell us, I asked you this question back in August too, but now that we're even closer to the new year, let's focus on that. What would you say are the company's growth drivers going into 2022 now?
2022 for us is when General Assembly will be in a position to unlock real scale and hyper growth with the successful movement to the production facility and with the launch of UNFI as our national distributor. We will have the capacity and then the bench strength through distribution to reach a much larger audience. We expect that in 2022 we'll be in every single major retailer's grocery store by the end of the year. We're working very hard with our partners at Impossible Foods to launch a co-branded product next year. In addition to that, we're setting our sights on US expansion in the bottom half of 2022. So for the first time, General Assembly has the production capacity and the strength nationally to make a real footprint and continue to create a new segment, which is premium pizza at scale.
Sounds good. All right. With that, where can our audience go and find more information on General Assembly Pizza?
Investors invest at gapizza.com or hit us up on our website, gapizza.com. Get in touch with myself and be happy to continue the conversation.
Very good. Ali, thank you again for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. Good luck. Stay safe. And I look forward to our next update.
Absolutely. Thank you, Robert. Talk to you soon.
Thank you.